Good day, everyone. This is Edward A. Abarca, and welcome to the part 3 of my video, which talks about Chapter 3 Portfolios, Papers, and Digital. So, we will go to the main content after the short intro.
Come around. I've been feeling down, sick and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. I cannot sleep, it's getting harder and harder to breathe. 6 feet buried beneath, and all the dust is following me. And the lights go out, grit my teeth, shut my mouth. When the night come around, I become a ghost now.
Let's know first what are portfolios. So, portfolios are prominently used in art, architecture, modeling, photography, and journalism. So they document proficiency, skill, style, and talent with examples of actual work. In education, a portfolio is a purposeful, systematic process of collecting and evaluating student formative and summative assessment to document progress toward the attainment of learning targets. They are limited, meaningful collections of work, include guidelines for the selection of contents, criteria for scoring, and student reflection. So, an effective portfolio is purposeful, is systematic and well organized, contains meaningful work, has pre-established guidelines, engages students in selection, evaluation, and reflection, motivates students, and documents progress based on clear, well-specified scoring criteria. A portfolio is a compilation of academic work and other forms of educational evidence assembled for the purpose of evaluating coursework quality, learning progress, and academic achievement, determining whether students have met learning standards or other academic requirements for courses or grade level. So there are two types of portfolio. So the first one is documentation portfolio, and the second one is growth portfolio. So documentation portfolio shows student work that illustrates achievement. So it is to highlight the development and improvement of student learning during a given period of time. It often contains a range of artifacts from brainstorm lists to rough drafts to finished products. A growth portfolio reveals change in student proficiency over time. So the student growth portfolio model is designed to provide teachers with an authentic, individualized, student-centered growth measure that contributes to professional learning and development. So this model measures students' growth through student work, samples scored by a peer reviewer. So here are the advantages and disadvantages of portfolio assessments. So let's tackle first the advantages. So combine the strength of performance assessments with a continuous record of achievement. Engage student in a self-evaluation and reflection. Lead to goal setting. Encourage and supports critical thinking. Involve students in a collaborative assessment. Integrate assessment with learning. Focus on self-improvement. Enhance student motivation. Contain examples of student work. Reinforce the importance of performance assessment. Provide evidence of learning for diagnosing learning difficulties, providing individual feedback, explaining progress to parents. They are flexible also, especially digital ones. So the disadvantages of portfolio assessment is scoring. So scoring is time consuming, not consistent, criteria are too general, raters are untrained, need time and resources to design, to review and score, to get training. Potential for limited generalizability, evidence of competency is needed for each learning target being evaluated. So here are some examples of portfolios. So portfolios can be a physical collection of student work that includes materials such as written assignments, journal entries, completed tests, artwork, lab reports, physical projects such as dioramas or models, and other material, evidence of learning progress and academic accomplishment, including awards and honors. So that's all for the portfolios, digitals, and papers.